Good afternoon and welcome. What a glorious day, and thank you for being here. I'm the president of ONPHA. I'm also the general manager of housing and long-term care for the region of York. It's our pleasure to be here today to celebrate an important event. I especially want to thank our housing colleagues, and I look around and see housing colleagues from around the province. Many associations are here today, and your support is tremendously important as we share the work going forward. And I want to thank our panelists and our partners for getting behind our project. Together, we have many years of experience, and we come from a broad range of industries and activities that support affordability. But we are all here today to talk about the thing that binds us, and that's housing. The doors displayed throughout the square are symbolic of the opportunities that exist when people have appropriate housing choices, despite their income, their circumstance, their age, or their stage in life. Housing Opens Doors is about getting all Ontarians behind affordable housing, the home of all issues. It's a multi-year campaign to make affordable housing a priority with Ontarians. Housing is a fundamental need. In our community, we recognize that housing connects people to the economy, to transportation, to the environment, and to important health and social services. A full mix and range of housing provides people at every stage of their lives with the opportunity to stay in their communities. Housing provides a foundation for interacting with the broader community and for general well-being, health, and social inclusion. Appropriate housing facilitates access to employment, to community resources, to support and educational opportunities. In growing municipalities across the GTA, we are challenged to build complete communities where people can live, work, shop, and play, but that begins with housing. You've heard the statistics. More than 1 in 5 Ontario renters, many of whom are hard-working people with full-time jobs, are paying over 50% of their income in rent. As a result, they don't often have enough money for the essentials like food, clothing, transportation, and medical expenses. This is true in downtown Toronto, and it's true in the nether reaches of suburbia in the GTA. Poverty and the stress to provide an appropriate space to live is true everywhere. Over 156,000 households in Ontario don't have access to safe, secure, affordable housing. As the economy, the population, and our urban structure continues to change across the GTA, so does the demand for appropriate housing. Whether you live in the City of Toronto, the region of York, the region of Peel, Durham, or Halton, affordable housing is often out of people's reach. There are over 56,000 children on the waiting list for social housing in Ontario, many of whom are in the GTA. Factors such as population growth, growing diversity among our residents, increased housing costs versus income levels, and an aging demographic will continue to influence local housing trends and options. We have some challenging choices to make in our communities. There have been many successes. We are thrilled today to think about the fact that the federal government has seen fit to extend their federal housing funding for housing programs. We're excited this morning to hear that the province of Nova Scotia has recommitted, but we have much work to do. The increasing diverse and complex challenges that impact local housing initiatives require all of us to take proactive and strategic collaborative responses. No one can do it alone. I spoke earlier this morning with someone from the media about the way we're doing housing today, and the way we're doing it is by engaging many, many partners to bring whatever the thing that they have can help us to meet our goals. Your awareness of and participation today helps to raise awareness about the ripple effect the lack of housing choices has for our communities. By ringing those doorbells, you're proving that we can no longer close the door on this issue. Thank you for ringing the doorbell and showing your support.